Hi guys, welcome to my Hong Kong vlog. Day 1, arrival in Hong Kong. When we arrive in Hong Kong, nag-withdraw muna kami ng cash, then we pick up our Octopus card and internet SIM. Both were pre-booked via Klook. Super convenient and hassle-free. So sa aming next stop, we decided to go to Citygate Outlet to store our luggages. From the airport, sumakay lang kami ng bus S1 papunta sa Tung Chung Station. At ito na, we're going to Ngong Ping Village, our first itinerary. So there's actually two options for you to be able to go to Ngong Ping Village. Pwede ka sumakay ng Ngong Ping 360 cable car or pwede kang mag-take ng bus. Pero kami, we decided to ride the Ngong Ping 360 cable car. Medyo nakakatakot ang ride pero once you get there, sobrang breathtaking ng view. By the way guys, we book our Crystal Cabin round-trip ticket via Klook. Ang biyahe namin papunta sa Ngong Ping Village ay 25 minutes. Ano-ano nga bang pwede natin puntahan at pwede natin gawin sa Ngong Ping Village? Siyempre, ang una-una ay the Big Buddha. Pero kami we decided na hindi na umakyat sa Big Buddha kasi medyo pagod na kami sa biyahe. What else can you do in Ngong Ping Village? Siyempre, photo ops everywhere. Sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar ito. Kahit saan, pwede kang mag-picture, mag-video, or kung ano mang pwede mong gawin for your content. Ganun kaganda itong lugar na ito. At ang isa pang pwedeng gawin, of course, ang kumain. Tinry namin sa Color Chacha ang kanilang famous waffle at mango shake. At patuloy kaming nag-explore sa ganda ng Ngong Ping Village. You can check out also the stores to buy some pasalubong. After namin bumili ng mga pasulbong, nag-decide na kami bumalik sa Tung Chung. We rode a cable car again going back to Citygate. Napakaganda talaga ng view kahit saan ka tumingin. Siyempre, picture-picture muna tayo and video for the vlog. Our next itinerary is going to our hotel. We just decided to take the MTR going to our hotel. Our hotel is actually located at TST or Tsim Sha Tsui. So, from Tung Chung MTR station to TST, the travel time is 40 minutes. Medyo matagal ang biyahe pero mas tipid ito. From East TST MTR station, onting lakad lang going to our hotel. And yes, finally, we arrived in our hotel. We stayed at Regal Kowloon Hotel. Maganda ang hotel kasi spacious, maganda ang view at maganda rin at malaki ang bathroom. Malapit din ang hotel ito sa mga kainan at mga bilihan at malapit din sa Victoria Harbour. Kaya after namin mag-quick dinner, we decided to walk to Victoria Harbour. Ito na ang naging next itinerary namin. It's actually 10 to 15 minute walk going to Victoria Harbour from our hotel. Pero sa akin, since bilis ako maglakad, kayang-kaya ko yan ng 10 minutes. Ma-amaze ka talaga sa stunning skyline ng Victoria Harbour. Grabe, first day pa lang busog na ang mga mata namin. Sobrang ganda ng mga tanawin dito sa Hong Kong. Check out din namin ang K11 Museum. This is the best way to end our first day in Hong Kong. Nakakapagod mamasyal, pero worth it. This is just the first part of my Hong Kong vlog. Stay tuned for more. Marami pa akong tips and places na i-share sa inyo na pwedeng puntahan at gawin sa Hong Kong. But for the next vlog, Macau muna tayo. Abangan nyo ang tips at mga places na pwedeng i-share sa inyo na pwedeng puntahan sa Macau. Thank you for watching guys!